You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this upper bound on the absolute value of the inner product between the two vectors in an inner product. Anyhow, let's get to the pronunciation. Named after a French mathematician, Cauchy. Cauchy is the French pronunciation, so Cauchy. And a German mathematician, Mr. or Herr Hermann Schwarz. So we have Cauchy and Schwarz inequality. So in English, how do you pronounce it? Cauchy Schwarz. Cauchy Schwarz. You could say Cauchy Schwarz, but it's a bit better. Cauchy Schwarz inequality. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.